Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're someone who loves to experiment with different lip looks, but also craves long-lasting wear, today's product could be your new best friend. We're talking about the Max Factor Lipfinity Designer Palette in shade 4 Reds. A lipstick palette that promises lightweight, long-lasting color with a fun twist. Let's break down what this palette really offers and whether it can live up to the hype. The Max Factor Lipfinity Designer Palette is designed to give you 5 vibrant shades of red to play with. Each palette offers a range of hues, from soft, natural reds to bolder, more intense tones. Whether you're going for a subtle everyday look or something that packs a punch for an evening out, you'll find a shade that suits your mood. This palette comes with a double-ended applicator, which is great for contouring and filling in your lips precisely. In terms of formulation, the Lipfinity formula promises long-lasting wear, meaning you won't have to worry about constant touch-ups throughout the day. If you're someone who's always on the go or just doesn't have time for reapplication, this is a definite selling point. The formula itself is lightweight, which I found quite comfortable on the lips, especially compared to some heavier, more drying long-wear lipsticks. It feels breathable, and I didn't feel like my lips were being weighed down or drying out over time. Testing this palette was a fun experience. The colors go on smooth and are highly pigmented right from the first swipe. I wore it during a busy day, including meals and drinks, and was impressed with how it held up. The color didn't fade dramatically, though it did soften a bit around the edges after a few hours, which is typical for any long-wear lipstick. A quick touch-up in the middle of the day brought it right back to life without any trouble. The double-ended applicator is a solid feature, though I found that I preferred using a lip brush for more precision when contouring my lips. The built-in applicator is fine for quick use, but doesn't provide the same level of detail as a brush would. Still, it works well for filling in the lips quickly or achieving a more defined look. Let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, the Max Factor Lipfinity palette offers excellent pigmentation, longevity, and versatility with its 5 color choices. The lightweight feel on the lips is definitely a major win, especially for a product that promises long wear. However, one con is that while the palette is convenient, it's a bit bulky if you're used to carrying around a single lipstick tube. And while the applicator works fine for the most part, it may not offer the precision some might want for a truly perfect lip contour. When it comes to value for money, I think this palette is a solid investment, especially if you love reds and want a few variations in one convenient package. Given the quality of the product and its longevity, I'd say it offers good value. It's certainly more affordable than purchasing 5 individual lipsticks from a high-end brand, and the added benefit of the contouring applicator is a nice touch. In comparison to similar products, the Max Factor Lipfinity Designer Palette stands out for its versatility. There are other long-wear lipsticks on the market, but not all come in a palette with multiple shades to choose from. If you like to experiment with different red tones and want a product that can go from subtle to bold with ease, this palette could be a better choice than single-shade lipsticks. That said, if you're just looking for one reliable red lipstick, you might prefer something a bit more compact. The build quality of the palette is pretty solid. The packaging is sleek, and the compact design makes it easy to store or throw into your makeup bag without taking up too much space. The longevity of the product is good, and the formula is designed to last throughout the day without drying out or fading too quickly. Customer support isn't something I've had to reach out for with Max Factor, but their products are generally well regarded for their quality and consistency, which indicates a strong customer service reputation. In terms of product alternatives, if you're on a budget or simply prefer a different brand, there are other long-lasting red lipsticks out there that might suit your needs. Brands like Maybelline or Revlon offer similar long-wear formulations at a lower price point. If you're willing to invest a bit more, brands like NARS and MAC also have high-performance reds that rival this one in terms of pigmentation and staying power. So does this product live up to its claims? For the most part, yes. If you're a fan of reds and want something that lasts, the Max Factor Lipfinity Designer Palette gives you quality and convenience in one package. It's a good fit for those who enjoy experimenting with different shades of red and need a product that performs well throughout the day. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews just like this one. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.